Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Long time no see, is it? Anyway, how you guys doing? All right. I have so much shiso, leaves. Okay, so you know what I was going to do? I was originally planned to do some stir fry, but stir fry herbs is not a bad idea. But since since this is organic, why don't I make some pesto sauce with this one instead of using basils, right? Yeah, never heard of try. So shiso leaf pesto. What should I say? Shiso pesto sauce or pesto di genovese, right? That's yeah. So anyway, so simple ingredients. So all you need shiso leaves. I don't know. It was on sale and nobody's buying. So you know what? I'd rather support the local farmer. So I bought this. So good for everybody, right? And the certified organic whole garlic. Okay, whole. So I already peel it from Spain. Yeah, and then certified organic olive oil. And this one, I couldn't get this organic one, but at least the good news is the natural Parmesan cheese without any cellulose added, just salt and milk. That's it. And then now I'm going to use this food processor. Now, those of you who don't have the food processor, you can put that in mortar, right? And then you chop this up and then keep grinding. I mean, stabbing or whatever it's called, whatever the F. Then should be ready, or you can put that in the blender. Yeah. All right. So let's get started, should we? so it's ready. All right, so this is the plain, shiso leaf pesto sauce. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna first eat it as is, and then I'll tell you what it's like. Okay, so kanpai and cheers. Alrighty. Oof. Delicious. Nothing to complain. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Yeah, sorry my camera messed up for now, but it's quite okay. Yeah. I guess it's working. Yeah, so yeah. I know sometimes I need to double check, right? Trust but verify. Before you trust, but whatever the thing, right? So okay, because I bought the takeaway. Those of you in the UK, it's called takeaway, but those of the US or Canada, it's a takeout. The takeout bonito sashimi that I bought it. So you know what? I'm gonna try with this because pesto sauce is good for seafood or vegetarian dishes or steak, right? So you can do some marinade with it. And the shiso leaves, by the way, has the antimicrobial, parasitic properties into it, just like garlic. So it's all good. All right. So let me try with this one. Allah. Highly recommended. And you probably can put them scampi or prawn or shrimp too, right? So a chicken. All right. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Cheers.